Governor Polis visits Silverthorne with local lawmakers, signing a slate of healthcare bills. Phil Lindemann, Krystal, 93 News. First, I-70 traffic this holiday weekend swung from summer highs to 4-week lows, with just over 131,000 vehicles passing through both sides of the Eisenhower Tunnel Friday through Sunday. That is down 18% compared to last 4th of July, down about 2.5% compared to last weekend. This Friday was slammed, though, with nearly 50,000 vehicles in 24 hours, the most since February 28th, followed by roughly 32,000 vehicles on Saturday, the lowest one-day weekend total since June 6th. Governor Jared Polis was in Silverthorne today, signing 4 healthcare bills. But first came a performance from the Lake Dillon Theater summer camp.
Kids of Summit County, great job!
That was the governor and assembled lawmakers giving a round of applause before signing those bills, including State Senator Dominic Moreno of Adams County.
This bill is so incredibly important and honestly will truly transform healthcare in Colorado by bringing down costs, expanding coverage and access to more people. That's what we should endeavor to do with our healthcare system.
This bill extends the state reinsurance program for 5 years, now with an option for undocumented residents and low-income families. It would have expired after 2 years. Reinsurance saved an average of 20% on health insurance, up to 40% in Summit County, and Representative Julie McCluskey led the charge for locals.
The number one issue, the number one challenge they faced was finding affordable health care in the community where they live.
The remaining bills signed today simplify healthcare enrollment, extend Medicare buy-in to residents over 65, and protect telehealth as a treatment option. A road cyclist was left injured and unconscious on U.S. Highway 6 near a basin this 4th of July. Local authorities confirm a 52-year-old Fruita man was the victim of a hit-and-run around 9:30 that morning. He suffered significant injuries, and the suspect remains at large. State Patrol is looking for a Ford Explorer, model year 2011 to 2015, with damage on the front fender passenger side. Call Summit Dispatch with info. School districts statewide are scrambling this summer to plan for the upcoming school year, and local superintendent Carrie Bueller has one hope.
That somehow we are able to come back to school this fall.
Bueller admits that COVID did catch this district off guard.
We knew that this was happening, and then one day it was just a decision to say, you know what, in order to keep everybody safe, we are going to have to dismiss school.
But she remains confident local schools were better prepared than others.
Our kids had technology. They all had a one-to-one device, and so we were primed there. Many districts across Colorado did not have that, and across the country.
That includes mobile internet hotspots, shuttled by school bus to Dillon Valley and Silverthorne. The district is looking at 3 models for the fall semester for virtual, in-person, and blended teaching.
Lots of cleaning in schools, lots of keeping cohorts together. You know, even if we start in a blended model, perhaps over time we can get more time back in classrooms for kids.
Bueller's final day on the job was last week, now replaced by incoming Superintendent Marion Smith Jr. of Seattle. More than 100 skiers and riders hiked, biked, and drove up Peak 10 on Saturday for a Breckenridge tradition, slush laps on 4th of July Bowl. That was a group of 4 local kids just moments before hitting a pair of jumps where they promised this.
360, 540, 720, 180.
Hiking with the kids was Mom, just a few weeks out from knee surgery, and Dad, remembering highlights from past Independence Days.
When I've seen this whole 4th of July bowl covered with snow, it's pretty fun, but even last year when there was not much there and we did a little mogul line at the bottom, a couple memorable days.
Making it all possible was Josh Barilar and friends, who dug out the Peak 10 road, built a banked slalom course, and served up hot dogs with drinks. By the time the rain had rolled in, they raised $2,300 by donation for SOS Outreach. And in local sports, brought to you by American Family Insurance, the Weiss Agency, the Frisco Solo Series opened last week with virtual trail running Wednesday through Friday on a 6-mile peninsula course where Casey Donner was fastest woman and overall runner. Zach McBride won the men's division. Race 2 in that series is next week, beginning July 15th. Get signed up at townoffrisco.com. And the annual Summit Trail Running Series opens this Wednesday, July 8th, with a virtual 3-mile run on the Mountain Thunder course in Breck. Get registered through BreckenridgeRecreation.com. Phil Lindemann, Krystal, 93 News.